in my house?
The door was wide open.
Why can't you watch television in your own houses?
'Cause your TV's way more amazing than ours.
And Wreckham blasts down the field. He shoots. He scores. This is amazing.
Fireball Extreme!
Charming. Now get out! I have to feed my precious Lovey.
Lovey? Ooh, who's Lovey?
Did I say Lovey? I meant not Lovey. Not a mysterious secret that I keep hidden from the likes of you.
I want to know. Hey, Lucy, I want to know.
You never will! Ah! Never, I say! Note to self. Cut back on the lava worm cake. Give me a push!
I want to know.
Oh! Oh! Ow! Ow!
Access approved.
Finally, alone with Lovey!
Da-da-da-da. La 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 la.
What is the point of having all the security if you just ignore it?
You're funny, Dad.
Now, where were we? My Lovey. I have a seedy weedy for Lovey-dovey. But first, questiony-westiony. Tidy-whitey or loosey-goosey? Snark. Nuts or sprinkles? A raise for Sammy? Snark. Sorry, you heard the bird. She clearly said...
Nice kick, Wreckham.
Lovey! Sound the alarm!
You must be super secret Lovey. I'm Jimmy Two Shoes.
I said, sound the alarm! So loud! How can you just sit there? Lovey! My sweet, gentle Lovey!
Dad, when you say lovey, are you referring to me in a fatherly term of endearment? Or do you mean that bird that just flew away?
The bird. When I call for you, I say, yoo-hoo! Disappointment!
That's right! Yay, Beezy!
What am I going to do without my Lovey? My dear father, Lucius Haynes VI gave me that bird. Son, seeing as you're incapable of making even the simplest decisions, I'm giving you this bird to consult with. The only answers she'll ever give you are gronk or snork. You figure out what they mean.
What do you say? We're gonna be great friends.
Oh, I can't stand to see a man and his bird apart. Let's find that bird.
Meh, there's good stuff on TV.
I'm good here.
Here's the deal. You bring Lovey back, and that giant television is all yours. Yeah!
Oh, Lovey!
Lovey!
Yes, dear. Hello, Sonny. You called?
There she is. Lovey! Yoo-hoo! Please come down. Come on, Lucy needs you.
It's important. The TV's at stake.
I've got a plan. All we have to do is feed Lovey, and she'll come to us.
That's actually pretty smart.
Thanks! Something in my brain kept saying birdseed. You're tickling my brain!
Oh, great.
What?
Lovey, please come back. Without your reassuring gronk or snork, I can't make any decisions. Hush, Lucius. No one must know your deep, dark secret. No one.
Secret? What secret?
Secret? I didn't say secret.
I distinctly heard secret.
If you must know, my real name is Sue Ellen.
Really? Sue Ellen Haynes?
The 7th.
Good to know. What kind of cereal you want for breakfast?
Yes, you decide. Surprise me.
Gremlin Crunchies it is. Which Misery Inc. product should I tell the factory to produce?
47?
As in the number 47? You know that makes no sense.
Who's in charge around here?
47 it is. Okay, last question. Which game came first, the chicken or the egg?
Activate Sammy Eject!
No! Do you want any help?
I can't decide. Don't rush me!
Birds stick together. I'll make bird sounds and Lovey will flutter down to yours truly. I mean, you'd come if I called, wouldn't you?
Absolutely.
Me too! Only way less creepy.
Chirp, 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 chirp.
Lovey! I was so lost without you. Oh, I love you. Oh, your feathery wonderfulness. Oh, country or western? Plaid or polka dot? What's my favorite color?
Lucy, it's me, Jimmy.
Not funny, Two Shoes. Impersonating a bird is a serious offense and just plain mean.
Caw.
Lovey! Oh, right. Two Shoes. Lovey! Toothpaste or hair gel? Which goes where?
And now for my brilliant plan. First, a giant piece of sticky paper. Then we place an egg in the center and... Never mind.
Miseryville is falling apart! What should we do? Answer me, Sue Ellen!
I don't know. I mean, Molotov!
Yes, sir!
I may or may not need you to find a certain bird that may or may not have something or nothing to do with my inability to make a decision.
Is it a cuckoo bird?
No, it's Lovey!
Should we take plane or tank?
I don't know! Stop pressuring me!
So, how are we gonna get the bird?
You mean, how do we get the TV?
Nice pass, Lovey!
Lovey! Gotcha! Giant TV, here we come!
Please don't send me back to Lucius and his endless questions. I'm just trying to get back home.
Wait, Miseryville birds can talk?
Remind me again where you're from?
If Lucius knew I could talk, he'd never stop with the questions. Never. Chit-chattery, chit-chattery.
Broccoli milk or nougat juice? Hot pants or cargo shorts? And remind me, do I actually like my son Beezy?
What did you say? I need to know! Was it milk or juice?
I said, Gronk!
Of course! Gronk! So obvious. I'm for taking Lovey to her home.
I vote for the big screen TV.
Well, I do loves me a big screen TV.
I'll be fine.
Oh, what can I say? I'm a sucker for a weepy bird. Lovey, you're going home.
We have to act quick! Should I land or circle?
Why are you asking me questions? Why must I always be the one with all the answers? Just because I'm the leader? Oh, right. That's why. Hold me.
I thought this would take longer, you know, more of a journey.
Yeah, with a comic misadventure or two along the way.
Lovey!
What? Mama! I'm home, Mama!
Are you crying, Heloise?
No! I have a feather in my eye.
This is how big city birds wear their feathers these days? What? And why haven't you called? What? You don't bring your own mother a present? And what about grandchildren? I don't see any eggs. I expect answers.
Get me out of here! Tell Lucius I said snark! I said snark!
Don't you snark me, young birdie.
Lovey says snork.
An answer at last! Land this plane and get me my bird! Oh, I've got her back. Little lady birdie, ooh, I love you, Lovey, love you.
Identity accepted.
Treats for my special girl. But first, questions. Pinstripes or paisley?
Gronk!
Should I wave my horns like this or like this?
Snark!
Should I get this rash looked at?
Say mercy, yes! I mean, Gronk!